Hello, this is Alice from NCC company, and we are supplier of the phone repair parts and accessory. As you can see, we have the phone repair parts like the LCD, phone LCD, here, phone LCD, battery, power bank, cables, charging cables.
Where did these go?
This is phone LCD. Repair parts.
Which phone?
For the this is like me try here the model. I will take a later for you, okay?
There's different models.
Different quality, different quality.
Different one.
Yeah.
This is like, for example, iPhone 14 Pro Max.
14 Pro Max, yeah, but this is our NCC Prime, and this is another factory brand. You can see our NCC Prime, the quality is very good and the brightness very better, right?
So this is yours. You're better than the other one.
Yeah.
Nice.
This machine not working for now. We will open it later. Yeah, and the NCC charging cables. Yeah.
All right. You have fast charge.
Fast charging, yeah, and also the chargers, Europe version and the UK version and US version, and the car charger, and the full catalog of power bank, yeah, power bank, fast charging,
Nice.
yeah.
Let's go around here. I see a cool product. If you look at this.
This one
what is this?
This is a desk charging station. Like you can see here, different cable like the USB Type C, and with the charging cable here. Then you can charging for different products here at your desk in one station. Yeah.
All right.
And also we have this power bank, a very hot sale. This can charging for the phone and also can charging for the laptop. Fast charging. Yeah, very fast charging.
How fast?
65 watt.
65 watts.
Yeah, for a laptop also. Yeah.
Nice.
Very
Let's
hot
go in the
still
front
here.
And what
Okay.
else you want to show here?
Here is like the wireless charging and charging cable. These are new samples. As you can see, 3-in-1 for the phone, watch, and the earphones. Yeah, it's very portable. Like this. You can see the
Nice.
color very nice. Yeah, and also the charging cables. Flat cable, yeah. You can see the quality, weight. Yeah, these are new samples here. Yeah.
Nice.
This
And
is
you
a
have also power bank with the built-in
cables.
different cables.
For different cables, and you can see different connection here. Type C, USB, and Lightning. Yeah.
All built in.
Yeah, and
Cool. And what do you do here? The global sources. You're talking with the distributor?
yeah, we talk with our future, maybe the potential agent. We are looking for the agent actually. Yeah.
And where's your factory?
NCC the factory, the
In
branded. Yeah, Shenzhen office.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.